Kuhitukira kamiti iria yathondekirwo ya kwaraniria na muingi wa Naikuru na honge cia wathani iguru rigie ndereti ino, riboti iria neanitwo kuri Ngabana Lee Kinyanjui ya kuma kuri muingi ikiuga mamwe ma maundu maria marona ta mangihinga mibango ino ni kwaga miako ya kuigana ya ikiro iria ibatie, onjoria nao magitigira maya kuongererwo ndosho iria marihagio ni kaunti ino niguo gukinyaniria ikiro imwe cia iria irabatarania kiwatho.
We met several stakeholders who came and do their presentation, and even politicians they also did.
I've told them there is nothing stopping which should stop the county from increasing the levy even if we remain a municipality. That is a process. Increasing of the levy is a matter of the law which will be taken to the assembly. Therefore, where we are, I think it is a point of, I don't know where the citizens got it from, but we have a duty to educate and inform our members.
Ngabana Lee Kinyanjui akiuga mubango uyu ungikinyanira gicigo giki ni gikugunika na kigina kiria kiheanagwo ni bengi ya thi kia ukuria wa micii minene undu umwe na gukura kwa matura maria makuhiriirie tauni ya Naikuru.
When they are part of the city, it makes it easy because you also will be having funding that is specific for the city. So if you are outside the city boundary, you will not benefit with funds that are meant for the city. And just to give you an example, we are at an advanced level negotiating for what you are calling funding for major cities. And it's going to be something like 50 billion shillings in the next 4 years.
Riboti ino ikuneanwo ni Ngabana kuri bunge ya kaunti ino na icirirwo mbere ya gutwarwo nyumba-ini ya iciriro ya Senate. Ngabana Lee Kinyanjui akiuga wabici yake ni irutire gutigirira aikari nio mekugunika na ikinya riri.
Committee on Lands and Urban Planning will give them probably a week or thereabout. They will finally write a report which will be adopted by the assembly, and thereafter the same report will now be taken to the Senate.
Ikinya riri riahitukirio ni ndundu ya maminista mwaka wa 2017, tauni ino igituika ya gatano gutuo mucii munene wona yekirwo kirore ni president. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Anigige wa Nyamu.